welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm with Chris and we are in his truck. Why? Well, one, as you can see, there's snow on the ground, and yeah, I drive my car all over in the snow. No sense in that. But anyway, guys, we are headed to a customer's shop. Now, normally I would not do this. Normally I would have the customer bring it to me, but the customer is not that far away. He's got a heated and cooled shop with all the tools needed. He wanted some help doing the oil pump gears and crank sprocket install, and also installing a VMP Odin Supercharger on his 19 GT. So that's where we're headed right now, and we'll see you there. All right, guys, we are here with David, and look what I walked into when I walked in here. We'll get to this in just a minute, but look what I walked into, guys. I'll take one of these as payment. Man, just, oh. This is a 427, 435 horse Corvette. I mean, just, he's got that up there. He's got engines for over there building. He actually builds stuff like this. All right, guys, this is the type of stuff that he messes with. Big block Chevys and big blowers. These are 1471s. 1471 blower, guys. Whew. Man, it's big boy stuff right here. Chris is in hog heaven.
Yes, I am.
Me too.
Wonder if we can make an adapter like bolt one of these on a Coyote, see how much it'll hold.
You probably snap that crank. Man, this is awesome. Man, I need this shop, guys. I'd never leave. This is why my wife don't want me to build a big shop, because she knows I would never leave. But yeah, he's got everything laid out nice. I mean, just, and then we've got the VMP blower. This is the first time I've seen one in person. I'm actually kind of digging it. I'm interested to do the install and see how it goes. That's what we're going to do now. We're going to put the engine back together and get the VMP supercharger installed. So let's do this.
Summer like rain, summer like heat.
right, so we got the VMP blower on the Odin, and let me tell you guys, I'm liking this blower. Man, I like the Whipple, but after installing this, it installs very easily. I cannot wait to hear this thing fire up, and can't really get a ride in it tonight, but I'll be back, and when I come back, I'm gonna get a ride in this, and I'm gonna get a ride in this, and this. The engine that's in this thing makes 1,300 horsepower. Can you imagine that light with 1,300 horsepower? Yeah. Anyway, this is a 65 vet, and this is a 69. And then over in the other, I'll throw a picture up. On the other shop is where he builds all of his engines. He's pretty much an engine builder, and that's what he does. And he's got a shop in town. Yep. What's the name of the shop?
Hilltopper Speed Shop.
Hilltopper Speed Shop. Okay, so guys, yeah, so same thing right there. So guys, check him out. If you got anything, just big blocks, whatever, he'll take care of you. But let's get this thing fired up. Everything's running great. Guys, this is tuned by VMP, so I know some of you probably asked that question. So it's tuned by VMP. Fire right up, running really good.
Look at this. That's another one. Look at it. Look at that miles.
6,616 miles. Already got a VMP blower on. Gotta love it, man.
I ain't gonna lie, the exhaust sounds good on it too.
It does. What's it got on here?
Boiler stingers.
Boiler stingers?
Or S-types.
I know you told us earlier, I couldn't quite remember. All right, guys, so we got it all back together. Everything's good to go, running great. We got the log done for VMP. So hopefully sometime this week, he'll be able to go wide open throttle. And then, of course, we will come back down. Not sure when, but we will come back down and get a ride in this thing. And then I want some rides in some of those too. But yeah, guys, dude, absolutely love the VMP. Wasn't sure how I was gonna like it, but as soon as I get a ride in it, I will give you guys my final conclusion. But right now, I'm really liking this supercharger. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.